Good morning. I wanted to send you a video of what I have for a press. This is what I've built. It's a 2-inch steel tubing that's been welded all together and then reinforced with diamond plating. The diamond plating aids in keeping everything together. The top platen I have here is welded on, and then it also has 3 holes. So see if I can see that from the top side. Those 3 holes correspond with Bonnie Doon, Kevin Potter, and a couple other press aftermarket accessories. That allows me to use my press and anyone else's aftermarket accessories. The jack itself is a 25-ton house jack, probably 1940s, 1950s, maybe before that. Like I said, this is 25-ton and it's a mechanical jack. It's not a hydraulic. I have basically 3 functions. I have a raise, a lower, and then a neutral. In the neutral, basically it does nothing. And then I have my raise. For the platens, I use micarta, real thick micarta. This stuff came from a sawmill locally. A buddy of mine gave me some. I cut it up. It's very, very hard stuff. And then the top platen, if I wanted to do something flat there, I have a magnetic aluminum plate that goes onto the top if I wanted to do something a little bit more flat. Obviously, the Kevin Potter overalls, it's a necessity. And then, lighting, everything I need in order to kind of see what I'm doing. I hope that helps, and if necessary, I will answer any other questions that you have. Have a good day.